Body scrubs play a pivotal role in skincare, offering benefits that go beyond the cleansing effects of regular soap. They are designed to exfoliate, removing dead skin cells to reveal the smooth, healthy skin underneath. Understanding how to use body scrub effectively, how it differs from soap, and the optimal time to use it in your bathing routine can elevate your skincare game. Here's everything you need to know. What is a body scrub? A body scrub is a skincare product formulated with an abrasive material, commonly salt, sugar, coffee, or rice bran, mixed with oils and sometimes aromatic essential oils. This mixture is designed to exfoliate the skin by physically removing dead skin cells from the surface, promoting cell regeneration, and leaving the skin soft and smooth. How is it different from soap? The primary difference between a body scrub and soap lies in their purposes and compositions. Soap is formulated to cleanse the skin by removing dirt, oil, and other impurities, often without addressing the dead skin cells that accumulate on the skin's surface. Body scrubs, on the other hand, are specifically designed for exfoliation and typically do not have the detergents that soaps contain. While some body scrubs have cleansing agents, their main goal is to exfoliate and rejuvenate the skin rather than purely cleanse. How to use body scrub? Step 1. Choose the right scrub for your skin type. Before incorporating a body scrub into your routine, it's important to choose one that suits your skin type. Those with sensitive skin might prefer a scrub with finer particles, like sugar, whereas those with more resilient skin might opt for coarser options, like salt or coffee. Step 2. Prep your skin. For the best results, begin with clean, damp skin. This usually means using your body scrub in the shower or bath after you've rinsed off any soap or body wash. Enjoying the video? Leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. Step 3. Apply the scrub. Scoop a generous amount of scrub into your hands and apply it to your body in a circular motion. It's best to start from your feet and work your way up to promote circulation. Pay special attention to areas that tend to be rougher, like the elbows, knees, and heels. Step 4. Rinse thoroughly. After you've scrubbed your entire body, rinse off the product thoroughly with warm water. Be sure to remove all the granules to prevent any residue. Step 5. Moisturize. Exfoliation can be drying to the skin, so it's crucial to moisturize after using a body scrub. Pat your skin dry with a towel and apply a generous amount of moisturizer to lock in hydration. When to use body scrub? Before or after soap? The most effective sequence is to use soap before the body scrub. Cleansing your skin with soap first removes the initial layer of dirt, oil, and sweat, allowing the body scrub to work directly on removing dead skin cells. After using the scrub, there's no need to use soap again, as it might strip away the oils from the scrub intended to moisturize your skin. How often should you use a body scrub? The frequency of use depends on your skin type and the type of scrub you're using. As a general guideline, using a body scrub 1 to 2 times a week is sufficient for most skin types. Over-exfoliating can irritate the skin, so it's important to listen to your body and adjust as needed. Integrating a body scrub into your skincare routine can transform your skin, leaving it feeling smoother and looking more radiant. By understanding the differences between body scrub and soap, knowing how to use a scrub effectively, and determining the best time to incorporate it into your routine, you can maximize the benefits of this exfoliating product.